Hey guys, Sarah here. So I just got here at the airport and I was given hair to come to Houston to our pop-up shop, and I just tried to check the hair and they wouldn't let me. They said, well, I tried to bring it out as a carry-on because we don't want to check the bag because there's the fear of losing the bag. So he said that you can check it, but you know, like, you can literally, like, airlines lose bags all the time, so we are not going to risk losing some hair for the pop-up shop. So we're having Caitlin come and pick it up from me, and then she's gonna overnight it because the show is Saturday. Today is Thursday, the show is Saturday, so we need the hair tomorrow so we can sell it on Saturday. Isn't that crazy? I just thought I'd let you all know what just happened. Today is Friday, the day before the show, and we got to sleep in a little bit. And we got to blow out all the hair for the hair wall, but we don't have any coffee, so we got to go to Starbucks real quick. So where are you going, Kristen?
I am going to supervise setting up the booth. So
yeah, who's setting up the booth?
2020 exhibits.
And you can't do it yourself, so they're doing it, and they're gonna do a great job.
They're gonna do a fabulous job. I get to direct them where to put everything, and I'm gonna be standing here like this.
Basically, she's just gonna be drinking her green tea the whole time.
I'm gonna be drinking my green tea the whole time.
But who's gonna take it down? Are you gonna take it down?
They are, with me directing them where to put it.
And so, did you bring the tour booth here, or how did the tour booth get here?
So 2020 exhibits shipped the tour booth to their headquarters in Houston, and they're bringing it to the event for us, and I brought all the hair.
Yay! Yay! There's some of the hair wall hair over there that we're gonna do, right guys?
Off to school I go.
Bye, Kristen.
Bye. Bye.
That's the curling iron I have, but it died on me.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Is that yours?
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, today is show day. It is Saturday, September 14th, the day of the show here at Houston. I am about to go meet up with the rest of the girls. I had to wait on the hair to get delivered to our Airbnb. Anyway, on my way, so excited to meet you guys, hang out with you guys, and sell some hair. See you guys later. We are here, guys. Convention Center. Day number 1 here in Houston. So how did we do today?
We did amazing.
We saw
today.
so many great people.
Stylist killed it today.
You did a great job. And Olga did too. Oh, there's Olga and Jessica. And here's Tori. She's still working on a client. We're trying to figure out where we're gonna eat in Houston tonight. I'm feeling some carbs. I'm feeling some, hey, we should get like pizza or pasta. That's what we did in New York.
Pizza, yeah, girl, I need some pizza.
So, yeah, anyway. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day number 2. All right, day number 2. Who's ready? Okay, Only me. No response. Everybody in here? Who's excited? Me. Yay. About to see all the clients today. Gonna sell some hair, change some lives. One hair topper at a time. Today is September 15th. The show is at George R. Brown Convention Center. It's from 11 to 5. Can't wait to see you guys there. Also, I would like to just point out that today's the day that Mario Lopez is going to be at the convention center. Bee's really excited.
That's right.
She wants to meet him. Hopefully I can get him on the blog. So stay tuned, and if I can't, is he gonna be on stage?
Yes.
He's gonna be on stage, so maybe I can get him on stage and hopefully he'll like walk around and like, maybe not.
No way.
No?
I mean, it'd be great. But...
It would be great. Well, I'll hunt him down and get him.
You'll hunt him down?
I will hunt him down and get him on the blog.
Or maybe hunt?
Is it hunt or
It's hunt.
hunt?
What are y'all saying? She's gonna hunt him down.
Hunt. I thought it was hunt him down.
You can hunt. You only hunt when after
Unless
you're
you're
dead.
yeah. Hunt and hunt. What?
I might just be a ghost.
As
then.
opposed to.
Alright, see you guys at the convention center. Words are hard. And see you later, Mario Lopez. I will haunt you down.
Oh my god.
Hello. Great to be here. Love Houston. Hanging out with the family. It's great people, great culture, a lot of great food. I'm still.
Y'all, I just met Mario Lopez. I'm just kidding, I didn't.
You what?
I said I just met Mario Lopez, but I really didn't. Alright, another great day. Packing up all the hair. Right here, there are all of these tubs. Packing the booth and this thing, but we're not doing it. These guys are packing up our booth. Thank you. Today was a great day here in Houston at the convention center. So thank you guys to everyone who came out today and supported us. Hope to see you guys at our next tour event.
Am I recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Say something great.
We've had a great day. Yay!
It's all over and we're finished with Houston. We took it by storm.
Next stop, Nashville.
But for now, food
And ice cream.
And ice cream.
and wine.
We can cut that part out.